to Craft Kids TV. Today we will be doing a bunny.
That's right. We're going to be doing a Easter bunny, and we're going to be doing something that was kind of inspired by what Landon did at his kindergarten class. So we're excited to bring you a construction paper bunny today.
Yep.
You guys excited?
Yep.
You guys at home excited to be creative? All right. So get ready to join along with us and create these cool bunnies.
Yep.
All right, let's go. We are going to make hand bunnies. Hand bunnies out of construction paper. So what we're going to do first is we're going to lay our hand out on the construction paper. We're going to use washable marker in case it gets on our hands, it'll come off. And we're going to trace our hands. Just going to go right around. Just do the best you can.
And if you get it on your fingers, it's fine.
Yeah.
If you have the washing marker.
Exactly. Okay. Do your hand the best you can. Mine looks funny because it's when it's going around my ring. But anyways, just go around your hand the best you can.
Yours is gonna be a big bunny.
It is gonna be a big bunny. Then.
Oh my gosh! I'm gonna have that for. Oh my god!
I did mine a little differently than you guys, but that's why mine's so thick. I tried to stay away from my fingers. But anyway, anyhow, you're going to now cut these out. You guys each grab a pair of scissors, please.
Here you go, Landon.
And we are going to cut these out, and don't leave any of the marker. Just cut it. Make sure it gets all cut off. Alright, so put our hands up here, because I didn't want you to hurt. And as you can see, well, you can leave yours there. I just meant like up on the table. So you can see that they all came out different, right? If you want to like show it as compared to your hand. So what happened to Maddie and Landon was that they got their markers much closer to their fingers, as you can see, by how much marker got on their fingers. And I didn't. I got very little on mine, so my fingers ended up being much thicker. So we learned a little lesson there. We learned that we probably should keep the marker away from our fingers a little, because when they cut them out and I asked them not to keep any marker on the paper, or very little, this ended up being how skinny the fingers came out. It'll still work just fine for this project, but we thought we'd point that out. What we have here is we have a situation where we need to, as Landon is showing us, we need to fold down the middle finger. Just fold that down. Okay? So that finger is now out of the mix. And what we're left with is
Yes.
2 bunny ears. So grab your Sharpie or just some marker and draw in the interior of one bunny ear, and then draw in the interior of another bunny ear. Just stay that same approximate distance from the edge. Okay, get your 2 bunny ears. Good job, and then what you're going to do is you're going to color those in pink.
Yep.
Mine's going to come out, because it's on purple paper, it's going to come out very dark.
Since mine's on blue, it'll come out.
Yours is going to come out dark too, buddy.
Mine is.
That's okay. Yeah, I think all of ours, because we're drawing on construction paper, not white paper, they're all going to come out fairly dark, which is fine.
I don't know how the one back there works.
Well, you use crayon.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yep, and we're using marker, but you could use color pencil or crayon or a number of different choices, okay? But we use marker.
That one behind us was crayon, so but the whiskers I think was like a marker.
Landon's talking about this one that he made in elementary school, kindergarten, and
These,
this is
like the black stuff is like markers.
yeah, markers and crayon. I think he says crayons here, although it looks like marker to me.
It actually does.
But anyways, that's one that Landon made. So let's continue. I'm going to model it after that actually. So let's leave that right there. We're gonna add some eyes, which we're just gonna do little dots. I'm gonna make my dots like this. You can kind of make them as big or as small as you want them. Right? You don't need to go a little bigger. Okay, then I'm gonna put in a nose, but I'm gonna outline my nose, and then I'll color it in pink. Yeah, they might have, but we can do that too. But let's draw our oval noses. And we're gonna do something similar that we did on the other bunny drawing that we did. Which, by the way, if you guys are looking for a bunny video, a drawing bunny video, check out our bunny video. Go to Craft Kids TV on YouTube. Check it out. You're gonna see like 2 U's, one U this way, and one U this way.
And then
Okay.
whiskers right next
Yeah,
to them.
and then we're gonna draw whiskers, and this just looks like a V with a whisker coming out of the middle too. And then you'll do the other side. You'll do a V, and then a whisker coming out the middle.
Kind of like arrows too.
Yeah. Okay, and then one other thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put bunny feet. So we got a bunny foot here, and a bunny foot here. Mine came out wildly different in size, so I'll try to fix that by thickening the lines on the inside of this one and on the outside of this one to try to make them match in size. So that's a little bit better. And I'm gonna put a little pad. I'm gonna put little things on their feet, little pads on their feet. I'm gonna do mine like this. 1, 2, 3.
But those are the lines.
Yeah, you can do it however you want. There's no right or wrong way to do it. I'm just doing mine like that. Okay? Now,
Me too.
we're pretty much done. Landon put a heart on his. We could draw a heart on ours if we wanted to. One of the things I want to do is I want to recognize that these are the bunny arms. Like the bunny's got his arms wide open. And he's saying, "Hello, everybody. Happy Easter." So I'm going to actually put bunny paws on these. I'm going to do little bunny paws. And I'm going to do that by also, I'm going to pretend his hands are open. And I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. I don't know how many little pads bunnies have, but 3 feels like a good amount.
Oh, look at how skinny that's gonna be. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you can just do 3 little lines if you want. Isn't that a cool little bunny? Isn't that a cool little bunny? Thanks for showing that to us, Landon. And
I want to wash my hands so bad.
we will show you the reveal in just a quick moment. Thanks for watching. So here we are, ready to reveal our hand Easter Bunny characters. Is that what we're calling them? Easter Bunny characters?
Yeah. We'll
All right.
say hand bunnies.
Hand bunnies, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hand bunnies!
And buddy.
So, again, we had a lot of fun with this. You just trace your hand, and then you just color it in like it's a bunny with his hands, with his arms open wide. I think that's his front paws, but at any rate, we had a lot of fun with this. Maddie and Landon ended up tracing their fingers really, really in tight and close, so it made it kind of skinny. So maybe just kind of keep that in mind when you trace your hands. Don't get so close to your fingers, okay?
Hopefully you have more luck than us.
All right, but we had a ball. We had a blast doing it, didn't we?
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to leave you with a wave from the bunnies.
They'd
But
like
bef-
to say goodbye.
They'd like to say goodbye, but before we go, we're going to do a
Dad
dad
joke.
joke. All right, it's time for the dad joke of the day. These guys have got me cracking up. I've been thinking about an Easter joke for you guys. I want to test your knowledge on how much you know the Easter Bunny. Okay? So, here it goes. What is the Easter Bunny's favorite type of music? Hip hop. Okay.